Feeling stuck in routine? Craving adventure without leaving the UAE? Missing out on global culture, entertainment, and unique shopping experiences? Global Village Dubai brings the world to you in one vibrant destination. Explore diverse cultural pavilions showcasing food, crafts, and traditions worldwide. Enjoy thrilling rides, live performances, and dazzling fireworks displays nightly. Book tickets online for hassle-free access to unforgettable experiences. Skip long queues and secure your spot at this iconic attraction today. Create lasting memories with family and friends in a lively atmosphere. Discover unique souvenirs and flavors from every corner of the globe. Immerse yourself in world-class entertainment and breathtaking architectural designs. Don't wait. Start your adventure now by booking your tickets online. Global Village Dubai, your gateway to the world, right here in the UAE.